How to know if someone saw your message on Discord? It is possible, it is not possible. Let's find out now. First, this information that will pass to you, it is the same to Discord, mobile Discord, desktop, doesn't matter the version. So if you come on Discord and send any message, and if the person see the message, so for example this account, you will be not able to see if someone saw the message, okay? Because that is impossible. Discord won't allow you or any person to see if other person see the message, okay? This is against the Discord rule. So I will point out again, that is impossible to see if someone saw your message, okay? So the only thing that you can do is just ask a question, okay? So for example, are you there? This can be silly, but that is the only way to see if someone saw your message. Then if this person respond this message, the person obviously see this message. I hope I help with the information. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive us footsteps.